These are the spectacle legs, which are used on the glasses we usually wear. So how are they processed? The answer is to use our 3030 cutting machine for cutting. The laser beam can be accurate to the micron level. Whether it is complex curves or small designs, it can be accurately cut. The material of the temples after laser cutting is more durable and less likely to deform than ordinary hand-engraved 1S, so they will last you more years. Are you tired of the same glasses? No problem! We can also cut different temples to ensure cutting diversity. Let's see the cutting effect.